Morning, family. Ham's Loft. Assalamu alaikum. It's uh, it's about 9 o'clock in the morning. We've been getting rain. It rained storm last night. You can see water right there. So the grass is wet as can be. We caught a break. Got a gap. You can see the clouds. No sun, but it's still hot outside. I'm gonna go ahead and let the birds out. Should be no problem. Let's see what they do. Let's get on it. The lazy ones, the rest of the flock, let's get them up in the air. When they see me grab my flag, they flew. So see, I got 3 came down already. One of them don't matter. That's the big blue bar. I'm pulling him out this week. Actually, I'm gonna pull him out today. Put him in the loft with the rest of them. But you can see they flying low, so we got to get them back up. Give me a second. Let me get my flag. Well, you can watch me anyway. That flag is at least 20 feet high. but the bag is wet, so it don't fly. It don't really get them that well. I do have some that goes routing, at least 5 that's gone. Every time they take off, they just disappear and they come back later. Always after I have caught them in. Oh, while the bird's out there. Yeah, they're doing their thing. We are making progress. Actually, tomorrow is going to be their first toss. It's only going to be about a mile, but no ifs, ands, and buts. Even the lazy ones go. So they come back. I ain't got to worry about how lazy they are because we're going to get them moving. But no hawk attacks. Haven't been hit by the hawk, but I got hit once while they was in the cage. But one thing about flying birds, if you get hit by the hawk enough, they stay up in the sky. And as you see, they kind of stay up. But the 5 that I'm talking about, I ain't even got to worry about them because they always come back and they usually always fly together. It's 2 reds, a blue bar, and the other 2, I don't even really know what they are. I see them all the time, but I just don't pay them too much attention until I start tossing. So you see some still flying, some landed on the roof. I seen that group of 5 or something earlier. Yeah, we'll see them after a while. All right, let's throw you on pause. Oh, there they go. That 5, right? 1, 2, it's about 7. I hope they got them. They're right there. I hope they got them, but that's the ones that I think that's my group that just always disappear. They never fly with the flock. They just do their own thing. It's like I said, real cloudy, real hot out here. The humidity is crazy. All right, people. Just a short morning toss, not morning toss, just a morning fly. Comment, subscribe, do what you do. Shouts out to all the flyers. Thank you for watching the channel. Peace.